Today, we're tackling a big question. FreeCAD vs AutoCAD. Which one should you use and why? Whether you're just starting in CAD design or you're working in the industry, knowing the strengths and weaknesses of both can save you time, money, and effort. So let's get right into it. First things first, what is CAD? Well, computer-aided design CAD is the backbone of modern engineering, architecture, and manufacturing. It helps professionals create precise 2D drawings and realistic 3D models. It's like a digital toolbox that lets you design anything from mechanical parts to entire buildings. But the question is, do you go with a paid industry giant like AutoCAD or the free open-source alternative FreeCAD? Let's start with AutoCAD. Developed by Autodesk, AutoCAD has been the industry standard since 1982. It's widely used in engineering, architecture, and construction. Think of it as the classic toolbox, just like a classic tool. It's well-built and reliable. Its strengths include a polished user interface, professional support, compatibility with industry formats like DWG and DXF, and powerful 2D drafting tools. But here's the catch. It comes at a price. Subscriptions can cost hundreds of dollars per year, which may not be ideal for everyone. Next, let's turn our attention to FreeCAD. Developed by a community of programmers, FreeCAD is completely free and open source. Now that's a game changer. This means anyone can use it without any cost. FreeCAD is like the new kid on the block. It's not as established as AutoCAD, but it's quickly making a name for itself. Its strengths are flexibility, no cost, and a growing community of users and developers. But as with any free tool, there's a trade-off. FreeCAD's user interface is not as polished as AutoCAD's, and it may take some time to learn how to use it effectively. Now let's put them head to head. First up, cost. AutoCAD is expensive. FreeCAD is free. When it comes to user interface, AutoCAD is sleek and professional. FreeCAD is functional, but not as fancy. A AutoCAD is the undisputed champion when it comes to 2D drafting. But FreeCAD is more geared towards 3D parametric modeling. In terms of file compatibility, AutoCAD supports DWG natively, which is crucial in many industries. FreeCAD can open many formats, but it may face issues with native DWG files. Now looking at industry usage, AutoCAD dominates, especially in professional fields like architecture, engineering, and construction. FreeCAD is more popular among students, hobbyists, and those who prefer open-source software. And finally, support. AutoCAD offers professional training and customer service. FreeCAD relies on community forums and online tutorials. So which one should you choose? Well, here's the deal. If you're a professional in architecture, engineering, or construction, AutoCAD might be a must-have. It's the industry standard, and using it will ensure compatibility and understanding with colleagues and clients. However, if you're a student, hobbyist, or someone who prefers free and open-source tools, FreeCAD is an excellent choice. It's a great starting point, and you can use it to build your portfolio. Or explore 3D modeling without any financial investment. Plus, FreeCAD is constantly improving and evolving. It may not have the same level of features as AutoCAD right now, but it has the potential to grow and adapt to the changing needs of its users. Both FreeCAD and AutoCAD are powerful CAD tools. The best choice depends on your individual goals and budget. So whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, take your time, explore your options, and choose the tool that works best for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and comment. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.